Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with this website, like you see with me here. It's called Authority Hacker, and it's an online platform and community that focuses on teaching and providing resources for individuals interested in building successful and profitable authority websites. And to get started with the website, simply head on over to Authority Hacker or authorityhacker.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer. And here are some results I got after my search. I have here the official site and some people's question that you will find the answer over here, and some videos on YouTube and their page on Twitter, and also some similar websites for the Authority Hacker. We need the official site. That means the first one. Let's click to the first link. Authority Hacker, learn how to build authority sites. So once you click to the link, you get directly to the homepage or the interface of the website, where you can find some key features and the button where you can free the training. We will come back to it later. And there is some key features and information and reviews about the products and the website. Let's take a quick look. We'll come back to it later after I show you how to get started with the free trial or the free training. We need to get to this red button over here, or this one here, and make one click, get the free training. So once you click on it, you get directly to the pricing page. You need to enter the name and the email address and click on join the free training. So now we give them our Gmail phone to contact, and this here we have an offer here is, and in 5 days and 9 hours you will find a training video here, and now you can check your Gmail to see the message from them, like you see with me here. 7 hacks to scale new authority sites fast for video. They contact us on the Gmail that we give them, like you see here. Here is a sneak peek at 4 of them: how to pick a niche that can make money quickly, find your competitors' most profitable keywords to target, build a cheap but super fast site that passes core web vitals, and acquire links on high authority sites without paying a dime. And here free training: 7 advanced types to skyrocket your new sites, and check out the free training video here, and you'll find some very important information for your training, and it's free. Now let's come back to the site to talk a little about it and about its key features. Let's click on this one to come back to the home page. This ones here, let's talk a little about them. Now we have a lot of important information and some instructor videos about some users. You need just to click on this red words to watch their video about the Authority Hacker, and a lot of niche to work on them that it will make you make money very quickly. And this will give you the comprehensive training programs. The Authority Hacker offers in-depth and comprehensive training program that cover various aspects of online marketing, including SEO, content marketing, affiliate marketing, and more. The courses are designed to provide step-by-step guidance and actionable strategies. And in this one here courses, you will find practical and actionable strategies. The training materials provided by Authority Hacker focus on practical and actionable strategies that can be implemented or to achieve real results. The emphasis is on practicality and providing individuals with the tools and knowledge they need to succeed in building and growing authority websites. The courses, or we'll just find them here, are very important to start your building sites. And like you see here in blog, we will find the affiliate marketing or the affiliate marketing strategies. The Authority Hacker specializes in teaching effective affiliate marketing strategies. They provide guidance on how to choose a profitable niche, find the promote affiliate produced, and maximize revenue through affiliate marketing. We need just to enter our email for the second time on this one here to make them contact us. And here you'll find all the affiliate marketing strategies and posts. You need just to click on the niche that you want to know about it and watch the video and read the information about it to get the training or the perfect training for you to start your building sites with the perfect or the right niche for you. And here also you will find the latest broadcasts. Like you see here, we have the sleep niche, a deep dive, and is affiliate marketing dead, and fatal mistakes that could destroy larger sites, and the niche idea that will get you loaded. And we have a lot of niches here to choose just one from them, or whatever you want. Excuse me. And also here you will find the community and the support. Authority Hacker has an active community of members and provides support through forums and private groups. These allow individuals to connect with like-minded people, ask questions, and seek advice from experts. We need to 1 minute. We need just to read this information right here, that we practice what we preach, to know they practice what, and they cut through the B.S, and the biggest podcast in this industry. You need just to read this here and click on this one to read more about this sentence here. If, like example, you don't understand what they mean with 300 ready to view episodes, and more information like that. So this will be our video today. I hope you get to understand it, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like that. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next time and next video. So I hope you still in good health until that time.